Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the name of a file on your laptop. Let's start with the most common method. First, navigate to the file you want to rename, whether it's on your desktop or deep within a folder. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the file. A menu will appear, and you'll see an option labeled Rename. Click this, type in your new name, and then hit the Enter key to finalize the change. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds. Another quick and efficient way to rename a file involves using a keyboard shortcut. Begin by selecting the file you wish to modify with a single left click. Once the file is highlighted, simply press the F2 key on your keyboard. This action will immediately put the file name into an editable state. You can then type your new name directly into the highlighted area. After entering the new name, press the Enter key to complete the renaming process. This method is often faster for many users. Sometimes you might see a period and a few letters after a file name like docx or JPG. This is called the file extension, and it tells your computer what kind of file it is. Be very careful when changing this part, as altering it incorrectly can make the file unopenable or corrupt. Only change an extension if you are absolutely certain of the new, correct file type. You may need to enable viewing file extensions in your folder options first. To ensure your files are well organized and easily accessible, consider these best practices. Always use descriptive names that clearly indicate the file's content, helping you find it quickly in the future. Try to avoid using special characters such as slashes, colons, or asterisks, as these can sometimes cause issues. Keep your file names concise and easy to read, ideally under 25 characters. Finally, always double-check the new name for any typos before pressing Enter to confirm the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.